Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make deer horse stew. So in the blender I have scotch bonnet peppers, onions, garlic and ginger. Once that was blended, I added it into the meat. So I'm using oxtail, goat meat and shaki. I season the meat with salt, curry powder, mixed herbs and Maggi cube, and I allowed that to cook for about 20 minutes. Once that was cooked, I fried the meat and I set it aside. I added oil into a pan and fried chopped onions for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once that was fried, I added the remaining mix of the seasoning in the pan and I allowed that to cook for further 5 minutes. I went ahead and added tomato puree into the mix and I allowed that to cook for further 10 minutes before adding blended tomatoes into it. I allowed that to cook for further 20 minutes, and just as the stew was done, I added my fried meat to it. And that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.